Hi, boys. So today, um, I wanted to focus on the 3-note trick, which yesterday I found out about. Pretty sick, but um, I feel like in a lot of my beats I overcomplicate stuff, and yeah, we're gonna try something out real quick. So I'm gonna grab a simple piano. We're just gonna lay down a. Loki doesn't even matter what we use. I'm gonna go with the piano roll. We're gonna go C first. That's the third. Fifth and sixth. So I can only use these notes. We're just gonna make a little template. Okay, then we're gonna mute that. And then I'm gonna grab like a piano or something from X-Band. Where is it? There we go. We're gonna make the tempo really fast. Wait, that's the sixth, bro. This is the seventh. What am I doing? So I screwed up, but what you want to do is make tension with the notes. So we're gonna go the sixth there, and then six here. Like, see how simple it sounds, but still sounds freaking fire? That's what you want to go for. Okay, so now I'm gonna get some strings. Let me turn on my MIDI code. add a bass. Then let's add a bell, and then we're gonna add some jumps to this. Holy, what am I doing? Yeah, see how simple that sounds? Like, instead of all these random notes playing throughout the scale, you only limit to 3, so it's easier to have space for the artist to come on, if that makes sense. So yeah, now we're gonna add the drums. Pitch it up because we're going for more of a Detroit style. Open that. I'm gonna add a cymbal. It's also adding more space for the drums. But yeah, you want to keep as much space as possible for the rapper. Look, I'm not gonna add a kick. Okay, so C, go like that, and then we can go up to the 5th, which is here, and 6th. Fire, bro. Yeah, but see how if we keep it simple, and it just sounds way better. Alright, let's mix this real quick and then we'll be done. Bust them together. If I can, bro. Holy crap. EQ it. We're gonna make this more of a texture. I wanna see what it sounds like if we pitch it. Maybe 3. Yeah, look-y like that. Okay, I'm gonna switch those up real quick. Okay, so this is what it sounds. Pitch 4 cents down. Okay, I'm gonna finish mixing it. I'm gonna add some compressors to this. If you don't know what OTT is, free. It's a free compressor. I'll go grab it. I like it a lot. get structured out. And yeah, that's basically it. Keep it simple, y'all. Peace and love.